Eventbrite has added a new feature to help you with event promotions, which is our new and improved email campaigns tool. I'm Colleen, one of the Technical Client Services Managers at Eventbrite, here to give you a preview of what to expect with email campaigns. Let's get started. Just log in on your Eventbrite account and you can start building your campaign in just a few clicks. You then add the name, subject, and sender details for the campaign, then select the events you'd like to promote. Now that you've added basic details, let's get to the fun part and design your campaign. You'll see that all of the events you designed are already there, and you can choose which of these events you would like to highlight in the email. You can choose to highlight one event, several events, or none of the events on the email. You can also add a header image to your email and customize the copy. Additionally, you can change the background of an email with an image or a color. And you can also choose to use our RSVP feature, which will change the reply button from register to RSVP, allowing attendees to let you know if they might be able to be there or if they definitely cannot make it, and add a comment. And finally, you can add organizer information. A physical address is required to meet spam regulations, and we give you the space to do that. And finally, you can add a footer image. You see here where the last image used pre-filled, and you can always update. Once a campaign is designed, the next step is choosing who to send the email to. You do this by selecting a subscriber list or a set of subscriber lists, or you can create a new list, which we'll go over how to do that in just a moment. And your last step is to send your campaign. You can either send it right away or choose a later date. Let's take a step back and look at how you create a subscriber list so you can send campaigns. There are two different places where you can upload the list. The first is in the subscribers area. Just click the New List button, or on the Send Campaign page, there is a link that says Create a New List. Both work the same way. You can either manually add each recipient, or you can upload a CSV list of recipients. There is reporting provided to help you monitor the success of your campaign. Just click on the name of your campaign, and this brings you to a dashboard which will show you your overall campaign success, reporting the revenue, the number of tickets sold, deliverability, and much more. You can also dig deeper with our deliverability report that not only shows you who received the emails, but also who made a purchase. And if you ask for an RSVP, you can check responses here, including comments that were left. Get started creating your new campaigns today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find great success with email campaigns.